This conference will now be recorded.
All right, this session will be about recap of what we've done so far. So we started off with digital marketing, what digital marketing is, and before that, what's marketing. Now we had visibility, finding target customers, and attracting those prospective customers. The four P's: product, price, place, promotion, and engagement. So when you think about marketing, it's an action or business of promoting and selling products or services, including market research and advertising. And going forward, we got to know what digital marketing is. It's a new age of marketing where uh, electronic medium is used to convey the promotion message, and this is the important part: measure its impact. So here is in this uh, type of marketing, we could measure whatever campaign we created so far. And digital marketing typically refers to marketing campaigns that appear on your cell phones, desktop, laptops, tablets, and it can take any forms, including online video, display ads, and social media posts. So I think we did a lot of search network ads, display ads, and some of the social medias as well we have touched. Uh, LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and if you see, most of them have the same platform in terms of creating an ad or creating a post. So if you are familiar with one of them, the other one becomes easy. Only step where you need to be a little careful is, when you're working on the ads. So let me go there as well. Let me go step by step there. And next we saw the benefits. I think I'll have to open this. So we saw what were the benefits of a customer and the marketer. On a surface level, you can say customers find it very accessible, inexpensive, and higher range of options, competitive tools, individual attention, specific searches. As far as marketers concerned, it's relevant for them. They can personalize for the customer. It's cost effective, high measurability, which again brings back to the insights and analytics which we were seeing of each social media when we finished. And it's a level playing field. So any new entrant can be will be having the same tools of an already established company. Okay, scope for higher management. And the best part is through digital marketing you can go viral. Once you go viral, you'll have no idea where your next connect is going to be, and it will leverage the business to another level. The person who started will have no idea where it's going to take them. Definitely successful, but keeping up with that is a challenge. So this is a very important one. I request you all to take a screenshot or a snapshot of this. So this is again channels of digital marketing or types of digital marketing, you can say. So take a screenshot, take a picture of this. So how all you can promote digital marketing through search engine optimization and search engine marketing, email marketing, if you can recollect. What is that? MailChimp, affiliate marketing, social media marketing. You had content marketing and mobile marketing.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Okay, sorry, I'll just turn it on. So please take the screenshot. I'll share the screen now. Yeah, so take a screenshot of this. Yeah, this one. I think this slide lag. Just wait for it. You should see a pink and blue screen. Yeah, this is the one. Okay, going forward, we saw what was the differences between digital and traditional. So in digital, you had maximum reach. It was versatile, instant communication, and another thing is it's a two-way communication, instant and two-way communication. Digital marketing is more value for money in terms of your expense and return on investment as well. Easy to reach target audience. You can configure, which I showed you in the Google Ads and Facebook Ads. You can configure your audience based on demographics, their interest, uh, their activity in market. Are they in market looking for something already? So in all these aspects, now if you, that's the reason I'm doing a small revision where, after doing all the sessions, now if you go back to these basics, you'll get a clear idea what it's about. Okay. Easy to measure and optimize campaigns. So through again analytics and insights, you'll get to know how your last campaign performed and how you can do it better the next time. But again, you get it back traditional marketing. It's the reach is limited. It's non-versatile. It's delayed communication and it's delayed one-way communication. So they can't reply back to you, or only ways they can call you once they see that. But till then, there's not a way the company will get to know what's it all about. And definitely, it's very expensive. See, expensive in terms of uh, publishing it or even sending out people to get it done. You need manual labor for that, or my workforce. But here, one person, if you see the image down here, not able to bring the mouse. Okay, so to the right bottom corner, you see the one person working on everything. But to the left, you see traditional marketing where the person has to go out and be on the field and work. And it's quite difficult to reach the target audience. You need to go around for a long time to find who would be a prospective and the ones who will convert. Yeah, again, with that, you have poor campaign measurements. So for the users, multiple channels and devices, wide range of sites, social media, cross-device integration. And each time we were creating an ad, you saw how we had the desktop and the mobile version. So integrations are for all devices. And customer can take a better decision through this. So lots of choices, deep discounts and offers. Easy to buy and return. This probably we'll see with Amazon. In case you get a product and you're not happy with it, you can always return it. It wasn't so before. And the purchases are, they're made very simple. Even when we are creating digital marketing ads, you've seen how simple it is. First there's campaign, then ad group, ad, a review, and billing. So everything is quite simplified once digital marketing, even for the marketer as well as the consumer. But main priority will always be the consumer or the market, the customer. So multiple payment options. It can be through card, online payment, Google Pay, mobile payment, lots of payments. So those delivery and everything, yeah. So we had a look at how social media is currently functioning as of 2011, 2021. And Facebook has around 2.8 billion active users, and some a new entrant like Clubhouse, which has around 10 million. There was something which I went through. I think it should be Twitter, or yeah, I think Twitter as well. When they are coming up with a what do you say, an option or a feature which is very familiar to Clubhouse, and Facebook as well is planning for one where it's trying to pay the people who try to organize these sessions, audio sessions where a lot of people come in and a lot of brainstorming regarding a set topic is done. I'm sure most of you would be using Clubhouse by now and you're familiar with it. So it was so successful, the other platforms are also considering to implement it. And we saw, then we start with Google My Business, but I'll come to it a later part of it. So we went through what Facebook is, uh, business page, ads, and how you do ads, So why Facebook? We went through this again. It's always a true communication. Facebook is one of the best. You can FBO is your brand. The Facebook page is filled with rich content. It's gonna be the best SEO boost. Boost up your business. Um, your Facebook and LinkedIn will one of the places will show up on your listing on the Google search engine. The competition for us to be there as well. Okay, brand. Of digital marketing. Awareness, leads generation, very for new products and services, target customers, increase sales service, increase sales and profit. You can expand your market, more with the customers, conversions. Options. First was awareness, consideration, and conversion. Uh, and if you continuously post and so
Sir, your voice is cracking.
uh, chances of them, our customers engage. There are higher
Your voice is breaking, sir.
and they lead retail than going to another brand. So one good office for sure. Service that beats everything. To be providing the value and that's getting to a part marketing and mobile page. Am I clear now? Just let me know. Can you hear me? Am I audible now? Is there any lag? Is it better?
Yeah, no, sir, it's better.
Much better. All right. So the next thing what we took up was Google My Business, and I'll just share the screen. I'll turn it off. So most of the Google products are mentioned here in the 6 dots here. And the first thing what we did was Google My Business. Did any of you get the letter, verification letter to your address from Google?
It said
No,
that
sir,
it'll
not yet.
Okay. Did you try?
Yes, sir, we tried.
Okay. So once you do it, within 12 days, you should be getting it now. See, I see if this is not given, you won't get it. So in case you still have not got it, you can go back here and verify. With your video of your business. So okay, so this has to be legit. That's why Google doesn't want fake businesses to be up because it'll mislead people on the map. So once you're done, just clear it off. So here we saw how we create. It's quite simple to create profile on any social media, but optimizing with all the options and keeping it, um, busy with the adding your posts regularly, adding content. That's very important. I think we did a post and we did an event, an offer as well. So this many of you shared. So that was really good participation. Even Facebook was good, but LinkedIn I didn't get much of response. So give it a go today and share it once we're done. So just make sure all these details are correct. Like I told you, a customer's point of view would be just this. Even at NICT, we get lots of people walking in, just finding us on Google. And when they look for our business, they see the reviews, they see the photos, how is the infrastructure. So upload your photos, valid photos. I told you even try keeping photos which are active. Like if you're a business selling cakes, just make sure that you have your staff handing out some cake and to the customers. So something active than keeping it empty. So that helps a lot. And also a video of the infrastructure if possible. So again, it goes on the security and privacy. But if you have people coming in, make sure it is shown that people are clear. See, that's the reason they have it here. It'll ask images of interior and exterior. So the ones who have been on that side of the city or place, so if they get to see one of the images, they can relate to that. And next time they're there, they'll be sure to join you. So they'll be sure to, come to your business. If it's something, a place like a bakery or a restaurant, something which is familiar. So add up all the images and necessary contents required for this. I think we did a logo here. That was the first time we saw Canva, how we made use of Canva. And then we created a post and uploaded some images. You can do the same for the menu as well. So try getting a review. That also adds up. If you are a new business or if you want to be an entrepreneur, these are great ways to start. All right. It should be your business should be familiar with the people. So start getting reviews from your friends first, and then ask for the customers who are coming in. It adds a lot of value. So when someone looks up your profile on Google My Business, see the moment this shouldn't be there. I'll just take example of NICT. You can see how complete it is. you have the ongoing situation. There's a COVID-19 update from the business, and once it's activated, like I told you, if you is screen visible or there's a lag still? Okay, now it's showing. So when I look for NICT Canada, is my voice okay or is it now? Is it better?
So your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay. Lock as in getting reviews and you'll get to the popular times. When other times where sorry for um, check. Hello. Okay, wait. I'll try. How's it now? Can you hear me? I might sound a little distant though. Is it any better now? Of course, I'm switched over to the laptop now without the headphones.
Better.
Is it any better? Can go. Hello. Oh yeah, even I can hear your voice with the lag. Give me a minute. Okay. Now you can go ahead. Is it okay? Oh, I see a lag in the screen as well. Let's see if I have any other option. I'm switching over to another network. Just let me know if it's okay there. Is it better now? Can you hear me? Is it better now? Has the lag been fixed? Is it better? Can you hear me? Okay. Okay. This should be a better option. I hope you can hear me now. Is it much clearer now? Shall I go ahead?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, great. So here with this, you get to know what the business is about, their rating and the reviews given. So most of you have given this a try. I'm happy about it. The ones who are not, give it a go. It's good. Um, you get to know, and when you look, someone looks for your business this way, you'll be happy to, and it'll also guide you to your location. So make sure if once this is done, if it's not a real business, you can delete the page. If it's already an existing business, keep it like that. You can take it forward from there. If it's not, kindly clear it because it'll be displayed on the maps once if it's verified. Okay, we did this, and then I think we did the offer and all that. And here also there's an option if you can create a website. It's a very simple format they have. Once you create it, just make sure it is live. Okay, and you can share this as well. If you have completely worked on this, you can share this as well to people. So your reviews are very important for this. Okay, after this, we went to Facebook. We created a Facebook business page. I hope the same account opens this time. Great. Let's go to the page. So we created this page, Digital Edge. And here we did a post, we pinned it to the top. So whoever comes into your Facebook page, they get to see it first, and the rest of the post will come later. And here we also worked on creating a logo and a cover image. Then we did some posts. Okay, publishing tools as well. So when we saw the publishing tools here, we have these options of scheduling a post. In case I create a post now, I can schedule it to any date ahead, which would be convenient for me. In the same way, we plan a calendar based on the calendar for a month. So if you work something um, earlier in that month, you can just schedule it and keep it running. So you will not have to worry about creating the post now and then. But anything emergency, anything out of the blue appears, you can work on it. If not, keep at least certain number of posts in your schedule. Work on it and keep them scheduled so they go on the date you have scheduled them. To make these things a habit. And the same after which I think we went into ads. We saw how to make Facebook ads. Yeah, then we saw the analytics of once you go, you publish that, how it's performing. I wish I had access of the other one. Let me see. Let me try going there. Give me a minute. It's another page which we worked on today. Let me start fresh. I think it's right here. Yeah. So here we saw contents of post, a brief few lines of it, and then you see the important keywords which will attract the people who are scrolling through, and important hashtags followed by the image. And here you have a CTA. So all these falls into framework, what should be in a framework of a post. I think we have boosted that as well. Let's say together through flow. So I got a lot of screenshots till my Facebook business page, but later on your participation went a little low. I didn't get much from the Google Ads. Very few did, and the others have to give it a go as well. Okay, so this was what we did, and so later we went into ads, creating an ad. So here was the ad structure ad structure. Um, Here again, this is what I was telling you about. First would be the awareness, what you start from. Just people let people know about you. That's the visibility part of it. Then consideration. So in consideration, we have traffic, engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, messages. So all these campaigns will let people consider your brand. Okay, and the next part would be the conversion. And this was quite similar on LinkedIn as well when we did it in the previous class. Let me close that. Okay, what did we do after this? Which was the topic we went to? We did YouTube. So on YouTube, we created a profile and we worked on the banner. How do you? And in YouTube, it's a little bit of challenge, but if you work on it, it's quite easy. Okay, this account doesn't have it. So in the other account I created, we had design one. So there we did create the logo again, cover image, then optimizations, what was required, and we even unlocked if you want to upload a video more than 15 minutes, how do we do that? So we saw all that. Okay, so how to create playlists, you about, let me just switch the channel. I don't know, Digital Academy or something. I think Digital Edge, right? So yeah, we did Digital Edge. Then I'll have to go to the home page. So this was the channel which we worked on. It's pin number 1545 and 423. So if you take that dimensions, your cover image will come in the right dimension. So on whatever device you open your channel, it should look fine. Okay. So this was the one when I spoke to you about 1545 this way and 423. And later on, we put a showcase video and we saw what are the contents we had for when we are uploading a video. It can be the end screen. If I edit this option, we'll go back there. Adding tags, what else? Playlists. Okay. Description, title, thumbnail. So we designed thumbnail as well. Playlist. So and when you come to show more, brings you the tags which is very important. I think for this video we didn't add. I'll just add one or two. So add in the tags, so it'll be easy and it'll come up on the browsing section as when someone looks for a certain video in your category. category and all this. So how you get the analytics of what videos you posted, what are the views you're getting, and if you go into advanced mode, you'll get the further details as well. You'll get to know the location your video is being watched from. And to create ads on YouTube, we had to switch over to Google Ads. So I showed you the section where how do we create the YouTube video ads. So it's done on Google Ads section. Before which we need to upload the video on YouTube, make it unlisted, so it's not visible to others. And what else? And for Canva, we made use of, for thumbnail, we made use of Canva. Any design right now, a go-to place would be Canva. It's a free tool, make use of it. But if you're already advanced with other, other softwares, you can make use of that as well. Again, you have the pattern, you 3 lines, brief description about it, and keywords, hashtag, and I think okay, this will take us to Google Forms. So I showed you how do you create a form, and you did fill in the form in the initial 2 classes. We had the business of that. So why do we have that? Is if you have one solid document of what you're going to be doing, and it'll be easy for you each time you create a social media to put up the details of the same, and it should be in unison. Like if you have a page on LinkedIn, that's what I was happy about. I think one of you have sent, so that is very relatable for me. I'll just try opening it. Just a minute. Let me see if I can pick up the same one. So I think it was Chaitanya who shared it. She had done the earlier one as well. So it looked very familiar. So if you work on just keep it same. So when when your customers view it, it should not feel like someone else being approached for them. So keep your brand uniform. You can work on multiple business categories. That's okay for learning purpose. But once if you have a business, make sure everywhere it's the same. Just running through all the ones what you've sent me so far. Mania World. Food and intoxicated stories. Really good one. Okay, see, some of them gave it a go on Google Ads, but not many. Yeah, but some did. Great. I want everyone to give it a go. This was the best. YouTube channel. I think it was Vistara which I was talking about. Even Bon Voyage. So relatable. That's why I'm saying, if you're working on something, just keep it consistent, and it'll look really good once it's done. So, yeah. Vastra, sorry. House of Elegance. Very good. It's come out, even this has come out really good. So if everyone participate the same interest, it'll be really nice. because number of participants and what the responses I've got doesn't tally. So I want you all to take time today and tomorrow, if you can give it a go, share on whatever social media you understood so far, or wanted to explain, I can do it again, and let me know what uh, you have your doubts about. So today is basically dedicated to that. So yeah, see this Vastra. It's covered really nice. So just me, saying it for once, I can go back and recollect. So imagine the same will happen to your customers as well. See, one voyage again, great. It's just the same set of people who have done it before. Why are the others not participating? So today and tomorrow you have time. Please give this a go. Anything you want, anywhere you have doubts, you can ask me. I'll guide you through. But your participation is very important. See, exams are one thing, but you learning and participating is even more important. And by the way, I think your exams has it been informed?
No, sir, nothing has been informed yet.
So it would be
No, sir.
it would be on Thursday mostly. Our coordinator will get in touch with you even as far as the material you asked. I think he'll be addressing it. Just put up a message on WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp group you're on. Is that possible?
So should we ask
Yes,
that
sir.
Wednesday, sir?
I think he shall be. I have informed, I have spoken to him as well. So they'll be getting in touch with you. If not, just put a word tomorrow if you don't get that through. They'll get
Okay,
in
sir.
touch with you and update you by within that. Okay. So again, getting back to the point, I request you all to give it a go. Create a page. It's very important. You'll get to know how it works. Than just keeping the screen on, being present. It doesn't make much of it. Even the exams is good. You're good to go. Yeah, I mean, what you understood will come up there. But participation, create. That's very important. This learning process is important. So I want you all, if there's still time today and tomorrow, take up any social media you like, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter, um, Google My Business. Create a profile and share it on WhatsApp too. Those who have already done, see the ones you have you missed and create it there and share it to me. All right. So good so far. And after YouTube, we went into Google Ads, I guess. So in Google Ads, we did search network. Let me go there. We did display ads and YouTube ads as well. I'll just pick one of the accounts just created before. And pick up a new account. So here again, once you enter the Google Ads section, just make sure you're working on the expert mode only, because the one which are there are presets which will be of not much use for you. And as you have learned digital marketing now, give it a go. Look into expert mode. See what are the ads you can work on. This is the one which was showing for the video YouTube ad which we did. Another section, if your billing has to show up, or certain options has to be shown, you have to do a small configuration of giving it billing information. That's just a two-step, a two-click method. Once you do that, all your options show up. See here we have the Google My Business as well. This is a hybrid display ad shopping. video discovery. So we did search ad and display ad and the YouTube as well. And how we went and look for okay, let me go up that one search ad. We'll ask you the goals. What is your campaign goal? Phone call, website visit. So here we chose search network, and all these configurations was done. Languages, audience, keywords. Okay, then the headline, description, final URL has to be there. Link extensions, like any more further details has to be shown. This is an option, and with this, you'll get 15% more CPR. So click-through rate increases when you uh, add in more extensions, keywords, ads. Okay, someone has just shared in there. Portia SJT, yeah, good one. Okay, CPV, cost per view, CPM, cost per millennium. So around 1,000 impressions, 1,000 people view your ad any point of time, that becomes a impression. So 1,000 people view the ad, certain amount will be deducted from the company by Google. And similarly, we had CPC, cost per click. So if you create a search network ad and someone clicks on it, the company will have to pay certain amount to the Google based on what budget they set earlier. So on search network, it's mostly about clicks, but when you come into video section, it's about impressions. In the sense, how many people get to view the ad you have created. All right. So give it a go again. Create a search network ad, a display ad. If YouTube is a bit confusing for you, try search network and display network ad. YouTube should not be much of a problem because we have covered YouTube as well. Only thing is you need to upload the video in advance and copy the link from there and paste it. It's not very much similar to what we're doing with other things. And I just want to discuss the topics. Give me a minute. Okay, we did Google. Okay, this is the latest one, I guess. Where is it? Where is it? Okay, yeah, I got this one. Yeah, pretty good. I think you got your cover image has the watermark. Just check on that. But yeah, good. You gave it a go. It's come out really nice. And see how you can place your cover image. The rest everything else is pretty good. So others, give it a go. Create a LinkedIn company page, and then we discuss about Twitter. Let me see if it's logged in. Okay, I'm not going to the theory part of it because we did that earlier. So I'm just going by what practically we worked on. So here you can create a tweet and an ad as well, Twitter ads. Let me not go into it right now. And we saw Twitter Deck where it gives you a wider option, your viewing option of what you're working on. So if you're a big company and handling a lot of people who are active and you want to respond to them and see what's actually happening, it's always good to work on Twitter Deck. So you can log into Twitter deck.twitter, tweetdeck.twitter.com, and here you have a better viewing option of what's actually happening. So you have your trending section, messages, home, notification. You can even create a custom column as well. So with this, it'll be easy for you to make use of Twitter. So you should just know when, what in Google Ads especially, you should know when cost per click is used, when CPM is used. And if you create a couple of ads, it'll be very easy for you. And you should know when basically to use search ads, when to use display ads. So Twitter Deck, and I think we created an ad as well. So after this, we went into LinkedIn. So how you create a profile in case there's an image with a background, you go to removevt.com, remove the background, and then we can take it to Canva, put in the right configuration, and then upload to LinkedIn. How you can customize your cover image and headline, summary, all the details which is required here. Then creating a page. So we created a page. We didn't post here because we were short of time. But again, you can post images, text. You can add videos. You can add poll. Pick up a topic you would like to know feedback from your viewers, your fans, and you get the response for the same. And you can write an article. In a similar way, we saw how you can go to the home page and then create an ad on LinkedIn advertising. So you come to business services, you can create a company page here. For the ones who have not done it so far, please listen. When you come to the home section, if you have created a profile already, if not, create a profile and then you come over to business services, and here you can create a page. So I want you all, for most of them who have not done it, and most of you have not done it so far, to create a LinkedIn page today, a company page, and share it in the WhatsApp group. Irrespective of what business category you like, you can take it up and do it. So kindly do it. So once that is done, we went into ads. How do you create ads? Go to advertising. And create ad. The structure is more or less the same in most of the social media platforms. So start working from Facebook. Facebook is really easy. Once Facebook is done, head over to Google, create the search network ad, display network ad, and you can even give it a go for the YouTube ad as well. After that, try Twitter and then LinkedIn. I'll be very happy if you can try LinkedIn ad, Twitter ad, because I've not got them so far, but I'm at least asking, give it a go, create company page. So let's see how many of you will create it today and share it. It's very easy. I'm sure most of you have an account. If not, it's okay. You can just log in from Google and create a LinkedIn account. Once that is done, create a company page, share it in the WhatsApp group. And you can apply for jobs as well here. You have LinkedIn Easy Apply. So once your profile is complete, there'll be some companies which will be having the option of Easy Apply. So if your profile is complete and you have all the details in, you can apply directly. If not, it's always great to have upload your CV, create a CV, and upload it on LinkedIn. So when you get an opportunity and business similar business which are of your interest have roles for you, just keep it ready and you can apply it directly. And I think anything else we missed out? Not much from Twitter as well. So I want you to give it a go. Show me a tweet you put up. Some of you said are active. So if you're already active users, it shouldn't take much time. So kindly tweet and share the screenshot on the WhatsApp group. And main task for today is kindly create a company page. I'm looking forward for your screenshots of creating a company page on LinkedIn. There was good participation from Facebook business page and Google My Business. So I expect some more participation for LinkedIn. Uh, some of you have already given it a try, but not many. See, each time I've asked you to do it, we have around 30 participants, and all I get is around 6 to 7. So I want others also give it a go. And see, last concept, if you can recollect and remember, it was about LinkedIn. It shouldn't be much. So give it a go. Today, everyone um, create this company page and share it to me in the WhatsApp group. Okay. We'll take a 10-minute break and be back. There are a few concepts I need to discuss. And yeah, so I'll take a 10-minute break and be back. Okay, so we all are back. Are all everyone there? So I'll be discussing a few questions now. I'll share it on your screen, so it'll be a revision and also easy for you to answer in exams, which will be on Thursday, probably. Is the screen visible? Are you all there?
Yes, sir, but the screen is
So
not
let's see how
visible.
your participation is for this. Okay. You can type in the answer in the comment section, or you can just discuss it as well. How would you like to do it? Would you like to answer in the comment section? You can choose options 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll read it out to you. I'll read the question and the answer. So give me the answer in the comment section. All right.
So your screen is not visible.
I'll share it. I haven't shared it yet. I'll do
Okay,
that.
so
So just give me the answer in the comment section. Let's see. It'll be easy for you.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So a phrase like buy now, which guides the user on. Option 1, signal to action, click to action, call to action, or sign to action. What can be the answer? Option 1, signal to action, click to action. Option 3, call to action. 4, sign to action. They're not every question, is just a couple of them which I'll discuss. So it'll be easy for you. Okay, we're getting the answers in the comment section. Most are like C, 3, 3, 3, some are 2. Okay, great. So it's okay. Have everyone answered? I repeat the question again. A phrase like buy now, which guides the user on which of these things, as for digital marketing is concerned. Okay, so the answer will be 3, call to action. So we had these call to action button, in each time we created a social media post. Okay. So compared to traditional media, I guess I did a small recap of everything right now. So if you can recollect an answer, will be very useful. Compared to traditional media marketing, digital is less expensive, more measurable, highly scalable, all of the above. Okay, I want the answers for the second question now.
All of the above, sir.
Most are going. Okay, great. Let's use the comment section. It'll be better. Great, great, great. All are going in for the 4. Yeah, that's the right answer. Any more answers? Come on, everyone participate for this at least. We have around 30 participants. I'm just discussing a couple of questions of what we have done so far. Okay. Okay, great. Not everyone have participated for this. Vignara, Juveria, okay, Maria. All right. Yeah, answer is 4. So what is in bidding CPC is used for? I just discussed it now. Display network, search network, video ads, banner ads. Where do we use CPC? Cost per click. Where do you use clicks? Can I have the answers? So where is clicks basically? I told you about video ads. We had display ads and the search network ads. So search network ads only had the text format, which was the first one we did. Yeah. Shirley says option 2. Okay. Someone says 3. So the answer is search network. So it's mostly used for the text ads, what you see in search network. One I'll answer myself. See, shopping ads are also called as product listing ads. Okay. So next question, which of the following is considered permission? Okay, to send of these, which of the following is considered permission? Question number 5. For a pop-up ad, do you want permission? For cold calls, you need permission. For Facebook marketing, do you need permission? Or for email? Just remember MailChimp, there we had that unsubscribe button. So you should know the answer by now with that clue. It's 1. It's 1, yeah. So advertisers pay for every 1,000 impressions is, I just discussed. So advertisers 1,000 impressions before. Okay, next question. Question number 6. What do you think would be the answer? Advertisers pay for every 1,000 impression is, what is it?
So
Is it a
answer for the
CPC, cost per
previous
click, cost per
question.
millennium, cost per like, or cost per view? You also have cost.
You will discuss the answers
Which of the
later,
following
sir.
is considered permission? Email. In email, they can subscribe. I'm just only few questions, not everything, so that you'll get a hang of this. You'll have, I think, close to 60 questions. I'll just discuss around 10, 12. It will be easy for you. If everyone is responding, I'll add in few more questions. So for what you need permission? You don't need a permission for a pop-up ad, right? To make cold calls, you don't need a permission. You just pick up the phone and call. Facebook marketing, no. So what you need permission is for email. So they can always unsubscribe you. They should be a subscriber. That's the permission, is what they're talking about. Okay, 6th question. Advertisers pay every 1,000 impression is. So 1,000 impressions, so 1,000 views. So which is the one? So you have to go for the 6th one. Can we have the answers for the 6th question? Anita says 1. Sushmita is right. Yeah. Just be a little faster so we can cover more questions, of course. I'm not showing in the answers, but as if you're the ones who are interactive will get it. The ones who are not active, they'll lose out on this. Okay, you can see from the recording, is it? Oh, I think we should share it a little later. Anyway, okay, great. Yeah, you got it. So main objective to branding is which of the following? Let me see if I can pull this. To have potential customers recognize your logo and marketing materials. I spoke about it. Now keep it cohesive. So wherever you create, no, wait. Don't give the answers for this yet. Wait. Let me discuss the options. To earn trust from your customers, promotional materials that match and coordinate, have unique tagline. So what do you think? Okay, let's have the answers now for the 7th one. Let me keep the comment section. Or you'll be copying each one of your answers and typing 1, 2, 1, 2. That'll be so easy. So main objective of branding is to earn trust from your customers. So if they're loyal customers, so wherever you get the message or a post or an update from, they should know it's from you and not the third party. So answer is 2. Okay, what does SEO stand for? This is a very easy one. Site engine optimization, search engine optimization. site efficiency optimization, all of the above. Me, all of the above we have. Okay. Someone is typing in complete answer, great. Oh, yeah, that is true. Yeah. So remarketing is targeting ads to people who have already visited your website and YouTube channel or other websites or social media sites, computer websites multiple times. So which is it for remarketing? Okay, someone says your website and YouTube channel. Someone says two. Okay, I'll give the answer first. It's one. Your website and YouTube channel. Okay, advertisers might choose to advertise on YouTube if their content is select to specific demographic targeting, reach mobile customers looking for nearby product, drive sales on their online store, or reach customers looking for product and service using, let me just extend that. Okay, here, okay, I'll read the options again. Advertisers might choose to advertise on YouTube if their goal is to select a specific demographic target method using sound and motion. The other options as well. Reach mobile customers looking for nearby product, drive sales on their online store, reach customers looking for product service and using search. So which can it be? Some say for. No, why YouTube? What does YouTube want? No, don't go for. Everyone don't go for. Just because you see for that. Yeah, Sushmita is right. So video is about sound and motion, right? What's a motion picture? You have visual and audio. And we do demographic configuration there. We select who the audience. So the answer is 1, not 4. Okay. CPM, cost per millennium model does not apply to such network only. Bhavana says 1, 2. Namaya says 1, 2. Cost per millennium. Okay, most are saying 1. Yes, the answer is 1. Which is the benefit of advertising online? So what is the benefit of advertising online? Increase the position in organic search results, make money by showing ads on your website, reach people who are likely to be interested in what you're advertising, automatically collect information about your potential customer. Okay. Shriyukta says 3. Sorry, Meghna says 3. Shriyukta 2. So what is the benefit of? It's a very basic question. Why do you benefit? What's the benefit you get from advertising online? Okay, answer is it should be all, but you can also go with increase your position in organic search results. But very fairly, all the options are correct there. Okay, yeah. Okay, here 13. You can use keyword planner to identify which text ads are performing based on your keywords, the number of negative keywords you should add. That's wrong answer right there. Web pages where your ad can appear based on the keywords, amount of traffic your potential keywords might get. Okay, no. Before you answer, just read the question and answer again. Your keyword planner. I showed you here, SEM rush. I mean, I think Google Trends. So why do we choose? Why do we need that? I think most of you are not going through all the options. Just check the options again. It's not 3.
So can you
Yeah.
scroll down the screen?
Sorry, is it to the corner? Sorry. Is
I mean,
it
it's
better
too
now?
low, so like scroll it down, sir. Yeah.
Is it better now?
Yes, sir.
I'll just try zooming out. Zoom out.
Sir, now it's fine, sir. Don't increase the font size. We cannot see the fourth option, sir, if you increase the font size.
Is it better now?
Yes,
I
sir.
guess
It's fine
100
now.
is better, sir.
Okay. Nice to see so much participation.
Yes, sir, it's better.
Okay. You can use the keyword planner to identify what? The amount of traffic potential keywords might get. Okay. If you want to direct people to a specific pages on your website from your ad, you can create an ad that uses. Let me drag that down. Okay. So here the question is, if you want to direct specific pages on your website from your ad, you can create an ad that uses previous site visit extensions, site link extensions, callout extensions, location extensions. Which you think? Yep, it's 2 site link extensions. So you drive them to that site with creating an extension of the search network ad you create. Okay, a standard ad text is made up of a headline, an image, and description text, or a headline, an image, a display URL, description, a headline and description, or a display URL and description text. Which one is it? A standard ad. Correct. If you can remember the one of you created the tally one. It's a display. Yeah, correct. Yes. Okay, your ad can show on the Google search network when someone searches for terms that are similar to your. Okay, very easy one. Okay, your ad shall show up on the Google search network when someone searches for terms that similar to your what option? Website, ad text, keywords, placement. Keywords. Correct. 3. Okay, which social network
So,
does have dislike? Sorry, what did it
so
say
what's
something?
the answer for 13th and 15th one, sir?
13th, what's the question again? You can use keyword plan. Okay, that's the 4th one. Amount of traffic to your potential keywords might get.
15th, sir?
Are you noting it down?
No, sir.
Okay. 15th is, it's anyway in the record now. You can just see it later as well. 15th is 1.
Thank you, sir.
No, see, just be participate. If you participate, it'll be much better than you noting it down. Okay, see, 15 is 2, sorry. So 15 is 2. It should have a URL, no? Without a link, it's of no use. I'll bring it down if you miss something. Yeah, 15 is 2. So yeah, this question is interesting. 17, which social media or social network has dislike? Okay, already I've replied. Someone say FB, some say YouTube. One. Everyone are saying YouTube. Yes, YouTube has dislikes, and we've seen many videos. I think let me bring up one if you can remember this. Can remember this. Um, it's quite famous. Correct. This was one of the most disliked videos. I think they've taken out the gun. Yeah. So yeah, it is YouTube. Okay, mobile sites need to be, they need to load quickly. Okay, let me just bring that down again. Have large button for easy navigation. Okay, short and clear menu options. All of the above. So if you create a mobile site, what should that options be there? Should it load quickly? Have large buttons for easy navigation? Because you'll not be using your mouse there. You need your finger. Short and clear menu options. Yeah, most are saying for. See, it's not about the right answer. I just want you to participate so you can recollect what we have gone through so far. Everyone out there, we have 30 participants, just around 8 to 10 are participating, I guess. Can we have the others also? Yeah. You should participate by yourself. Don't wait for me to tell you. It's almost done. Just few things, few concepts we are discussing. It will be easy for you. Okay. If you were a recruitment agency and want to generate leads for a specific job, which social media platform would be your first choice? Okay, let's have the answers. Yeah, fantastic. Great. So these are your attendance as well. Okay, all right. So that was a small recap, and this was the last session we had. Hope you got to learn something. Yeah, great. You're still replying. Some are still replying. Okay. Okay. So how did you find the session? You learned something out of this? How was it? Give me your.
It was good. Yeah.
Good. Thank you. So take time today, just for the sake of it, create a small LinkedIn company page. It shouldn't take much time, 10, 15 minutes. And some of them are already sharing. I'm very happy. The others to take time and create. Okay. The contents are quite easy, but participation here is very important. Is that cool? Can you all give it a try? The ones who are not created the LinkedIn company page. Can you please create one and share it to me on WhatsApp group? Thank you, Charlie. All right, Mary. So any doubts, anything we have to clear here? Anything you want to ask? You can reply to me in the comment section. I'm just going through all your comments. Thank you.
Sir, tomorrow also can we have a session like this so that we can discuss the model question paper, sir?
I wish so, but today they're ending the session. And you won't be of you don't worry much about the exams. See, if you participate and create the things what I've told you, exam is going to be very easy. Don't worry about the exams. Instead, you create a company page or go back to Google, create a search network, and all these are just small topics in that. So exam is a very small bit when you compare it to the learning experience.
Sir, would you like to recommend any study materials, sir, so that we can have a glance through, or you will share anything, sir?
I'll be sharing that on WhatsApp, but I've spoken to a coordinator as well.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
So they'll be reaching you. All right.
Okay.
Thank you everyone
Thank
for all your patience and participation. It was really nice handling the session for you. Okay. So all the best. And my request
Thank you,
again,
sir.
just create some more pages if you can and share it on WhatsApp. That shows that's more important than the exam and other bits of it. Exam is important, not saying that, but the concept learning is more important. So please participate and create and share. I'll be really happy for that. And yeah, thank you so much. We'll be ending the session a bit early today because yeah, we discussed most of it. Anything you want to know, just put it on the WhatsApp group. I'll be replying to that. Yeah, Shriyukta says, thank you for telling me learning is not. It is always. Your experience counts than your marks. All right. Thank you all. Thank you all so much. It was a wonderful session. Hope to see you again. So I'll be ending the session now. Our coordinator will get in touch and update you on the rest of the things. All right. Thank you all.